Hey guys, Paul from Top Course here. So we're out in Del Mar today, and what we're doing here is taking care of some of this interior block. So what happens is it could be a number of reasons of why this block is failing. It could be salt and moisture and water running off of the cars over a period of time. It could also be that there's a leak getting in one of the seams surrounding the garage, or even in the frost wall on the exterior of that garage. So we've already went and water sealed and repaired the exterior of this foundation, and so now we're going and we've got this taken down to a solid point, and we're going to go ahead and repair this so that it's a little more aesthetic, and so that's a little less porous too, so it's not going to keep soaking in any of that moisture that might be coming off the snow on the cars and things like that. Thanks for watching.